This man is a national champion, yet he remains relatively unknown to the Australian public. Greg Williams is a champion dishwashing machine stacker.
Go! Cutlery! Tablespoon! Good boy, faster! Back and forth! 2 spoons! 6 spoons!
You did a spatula, not a soup spoon. You do that in a day and you're dead, boy.
Yeah, I was always interested in dishwashers. I mean, show me a boy who isn't.
How often do you train?
I like to do a solid 4 to 5 loads every morning. I'm carrying a bit of a shoulder at the moment. I threw it during a heavy pots and pans session. I think that'll need a bit of morning fresh, mate.
What makes Greg so special?
I think it's his bread and butter plates.
And how do you think he'll fare in the 1993 World Championships?
Fine, if he can sharpen up his cutlery.
This is the man Greg Williams will have to beat if he is to realise his dream. Faust Birnbaum, German world champion, Mr Dishlex for 3 years running. Faust appeared to be on track for yet another world title when the unthinkable happened. Congratulations, Greg. A fantastic effort.
Yeah, thanks. I thought he had me on the dessert spoons, then he started getting a bit cocky with his dinner plates. That's when I came home strong.
Hey, Aussie. Well done. You got me with the crockery.
Thanks, mate. The real winner wasn't me today. It was dishwashing. Yeah.